Hi, Princess Ariana. This is Nana. I wonder where Papa is. Let's see if we can find Papa. There he is. See him riding? He's on his lawn tractor. He rides it. Oh, he's waving to us. He's riding, and on this machine that's like a car, underneath it cuts the grass for us. And we can have a really beautiful lawn then. Oh, Papa stopped. He's coming closer.
Hi,
and closer.
Princess. This is Papa. Papa loves you and misses you. Bye-bye.
Oh, wasn't that nice, Ariana? Papa got off his lawn tractor riding machine, special to say hi to you. Let's see where he's going now. All the way. See how much grass and land we have? It's almost like being at a park, but it's ours. Oh, bye-bye, Papa. See this, Ariana? That's where Nana sits and reads her favorite book while Papa's busy cutting our grass. I love you and miss you too, Ariana. I hope one day you can come and see where we live. It's really beautiful, see? Bye, I love you.